In today's video, I'll teach you how to create avatar on Facebook. So first of all, launch open Facebook application. You can see over here Facebook has been opened. Tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, see more. Now tap on the option avatars that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be able to create your own avatar. You can create from the selfie or you can also create it manually. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to tap on this option create manually. Now after you do that, what you have to do is get started with the skin tone. Simply tap on the skin tone of your choice. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see your avatar over here. Tap on this option next. Now you'll be able to see various hairstyles over here. What you have to do is simply tap on the hairstyle of your choice. Now tap on the next option again. Likewise select the face shape. Now after you do that, scroll down and select the face width over here. Also select the cheek fullness, jaw size and chin size. After you do that, tap on this option next that you can see on the screen. Now you have to select the body type. You'll be able to find various options over here. You can see the masculine body type or the feminine body type. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Now tap on the body type of your choice. Now after you do that, also select the build. Likewise select the muscles, shoulders, bust, waist, hips, stomach, rear, etc. Tap on this option continue that you can see on the screen. Now what you have to do is choose the style. You'll be able to see the outfits over here. You'll be able to find various options over here. You can choose the outfit according to your choice. Tap on the outfit that you like the best. After you do that, also select the hair. Tap on the field of hair. Now you'll be able to see the hairstyle over here. Tap on the option of your choice. Likewise, also apply the makeup if you want. Tap on this option makeup that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Apply the makeup according to your choice. Now after you do that, you can also select the face, body and closet over here. Now after you're done selecting all of that, tap on the done option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here your avatar will be ready to use. Tap on this option publish avatar that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your avatar has been created. So like this you'll be able to create the avatar. So that is how you create avatar on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.